Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today's topic is humidity and saturation. Atmospheric humidity is the measurable quantity of moisture content found in a earth atmosphere. Humidity is the amount of water vapor is in the atmosphere. The main source of water vapor is in the lower atmospheric are evaporation and transpiration. Atmospheric water vapor accounts of for only about 1 upon 1000 of the total amount of water in the global hydrological hydrological cycle. The total volume of water is the atmospheric is about to 1.3 into 1013. The overwhelming of majority of which is vapor phase is phases. Ocean contain about 1.35 into the 1018 of water, and the atmospheric water vapor is the one of the most important factors in determining earth weather and climate because of its role, and greenhouse gas are because of the large amount of energy involved as a water changes between the gases like vapor phase and liquid and solid phases. This is the various ways of expressing humidity is absolute humidity, mixing ratio, saturation mixing ratio, specific humidity, vapor pressure, and relative humidity. Absolute humidity express the vapor content of air using the mass of water vapor contained is a given volume of the air. Absolute humidity change when the volume change even got the mass of water vapor and water vapor has not changed. Specific humidity measure the water vapor and contain of air using mass of water for the given mass of the air. Specific humidity doesn't change as the air partial expanded or it's compressed. Vapor pressure is measure the air using partial pressure of water vapor in the air. Mixing ratios are refers to the ratio of mass of water vapors of the mass of dry airs in the samples. It is not affected by the changes in a pressure and the temperature. Saturation mixing ratios are vapor that can be held in the kilogram or dry air at saturation. Saturation can be generally defined as the condition of liquid water or disposition of ice and it given temperature and pressure. Relative humidity are measure humidity. It can be amount of water in a air relative to the saturation amount the air can be hold at the given temperature multiplied by the 100. I hope you are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, write down in comment box. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Thank you.